Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynda. On this channel, I talk about health, beauty, and lifestyle. Today, I want to talk on infertility. What is infertility? Infertility is inability of couple to achieve pregnancy after 12 months of regular unprotected sexual intercourse. Before you can say that you are infertile, you have to text yourself, you have to engage in unprotected sexual intercourse for 1 year, for 12 months. Regular unprotected sexual intercourse before you conclude that, oh, I'm not fertile. This leads us to what is fertility. Fertility is the ability to produce offspring, and we have two types of infertility. We have the secondary and the primary. The secondary is the one that maybe you have given birth before, or you have been pregnant before but you lose the pregnancy. As far as something has you have already tested positive to HCG once, then that is secondary, and unfortunately you are not getting pregnant again, then that one is secondary infertility. The primary fertility is the one that you have never tested positive to HCG. You have never tested positive to pregnancy, then that one is primary. If in a nutshell, primary infertility is when there is no history of conception, while secondary infertility is when there has been history of fertilization, history of conception. That one is secondary infertility. Causes of infertility in women. Fertility in women tends to decline with age. We have number one, the endometriosis, a disorder in which the tissue that normally lines the uterus grow outside the uterus. Number two, uterine fibroid. This is a non-cancerous growth in the uterus. Number three, thyroid disease. When this happens to you, it tends to decline, or it tends to lower the production of the hormone responsible for the release of an egg from the ovary, and this can lead to infertility. Another one is polycystic ovarian syndrome. This is the enlargement of the ovary. We have menopause. Menopause, a natural decline in productive hormone when the woman reach her 50s. Signs of infertility in men: we have low sperm count, low testosterone, abnormal sperm functions or blockage. The age, yes, age can cause infertility in men. Injury, illness, etc. All this can cause infertility in men. Signs of infertility in women have the absence of ovulation. When you notice that you are not ovulating. Number two, we have too long and too short cycle. When your cycle is too long or too short. That one is irregular menstruation. When you're fond of missing your meal, like this month you will not see your menstruation, next month you will see it. Absence of menstruation or irregular menstruation, all these are signs of infertility in women, especially if you're not pregnant and you are not seeing your period. Maybe you will not see it 2 months later, you see it. These are all signs of infertility in women. Prevention of infertility: we have adequate diet. You have to take your nutrition seriously. Adequate nutrition. Make sure that you eat food that contains the 6 food nutrients. When you eat food that contains the 6 nutrients, you'll be able to get all the necessary nutrients to boost the hormone responsible for reproduction. Example, okra, ladyfinger. It helps to boost ovulation in women. The tiger nut drink, that is the date, missing dates, tiger nut and coconut drink. Banana, sauerkraut, all these help to boost sperm in men. Number two, healthy lifestyle. Enable to live a healthy lifestyle. Don't engage in unprotected sexual intercourse with someone that you don't know his or her health status, because there are some STDs that can cause infertility, like syphilis. The next one is regular medical checkup. When you observe that you're not, like, something is wrong somewhere, especially inside your body, and able to go to the hospital. When you often don't take drugs without doctor's prescription. There is some drugs that both men and women don't take drugs without doctor's prescription. If you know that you want to get pregnant or you want to get your wife pregnant and you are a chain smoker, like you can smoke for Africa, the best thing to do right now that you are looking for a child is to quit smoking, because smoking tends to lower the hormone that is responsible for reproduction. I know you'll be like, that is my neighbor that used to smoke and they have 10 children. You're not the same with your neighbor. So if you want to get pregnant, enable to quit or quit. The next point that I want to share is make sure you're living with your wife or your husband or your partner in the same house if you want to achieve pregnancy, because you can't stay far apart and you are saying that you are infertile. For example, maybe the time that your husband will come around or your partner will come around, might be the time that you're not even ovulating. Maybe after 1 year, you will be like, I'm infertile. And able to stay with him or her for complete 1 year, having regular unprotected sexual intercourse. Maybe before then, God will answer your prayer. And I want to also remind you that is the time we call ovulation. This is the time that a woman can easily get pregnant. Study your cycle, because if you know your cycle, you have edge over everything that is happening inside your body as a woman. Because you know the day that you are ovulating, then that day, pakam, by the grace of God, I know that God will answer your prayer. There is also drug that boosts ovulation. Maybe you should check it out and use it. I know that God will definitely answer your prayers. How can I test for infertility in women? These questions that I normally receive on my DM. We'll have the blood test. In this type of test, they will collect your blood sample and they will check for a hormone, progesterone. They also check if you are ovulating. We'll have the chlamydia test. Chlamydia is an STD that might or that can affect infertility in women. We have ultrasound scan and x-ray. With one or two of these tests, you can easily find out about fertility or infertility in a woman. So I believe that with this little explanation, you guys will know what infertility is, causes of infertility in women and in men, prevention and signs of infertility. Please, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new video. If this video got value, share it with your family and friends. To my returning subscribers, this is me saying thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.